morning, everybody. So we're gonna have Linda's pancakes today. Then the plan is to go to Alto Vista, as well as the Aloe Factory and museum, so we can sample that out and see how that is. And then we're going to head over to Eagle Beach for the afternoon, finishing up with Bugaloes for happy hour since it should be open. But we're going to taste these pancakes. I'll shoot a couple little videos in there, but I don't want to be weird talking in front of people while they're enjoying their breakfast, so I'm shooting this from the parking lot. But we're going to tell it. I'll give you a full review of what I thought it was, prices, all that. I'll try to shoot some menu shots and everything like that. Bacon and mushroom. You can see it's huge. And then this is my husband's strawberry bacon and Nutella. So this looks delicious, and we'll let you know how it is after. Okay, so finishing up my pancake here. You saw how big that was. It's a huge portion. I'm struggling, and I usually eat an omelet in the morning. This is way more food than I normally have, but it's been delicious. My husband is sucking down his Nutella. He ate his pancake. I don't think he liked it at all because, you know, his plate is, as you can see, completely empty. So I don't think he liked his at all. But now he's eating his Nutella with a fork because why not? Anyway, coffee's good. This is really good. I'm gonna force myself to finish the last of it because it's really, really good. After this, we are gonna go over to Alto Vista, and then we will go to the Aloe Factory and museum, and then pick up some groceries and head over to Eagle Beach for the afternoon. Okay, we are at Alto Vista Chapel. Sorry for the wind. It's gonna be a little windy up here, but you can see the view from up here. We're gonna go around by the chapel in a second. Just got here and more tours are coming. You can see the dune buggy guys are coming up, so it's still kind of a busy time to be here, but we're going to enjoy the view. As you can see, the tours come here as well. So another big group just arrived, so it's kind of an ongoing thing, but it looked like nobody was going to be here when we walked up, and then also we got up here and there was a ton of Alto Vista Chapel. It's actually close to where we're staying in Nord. We just went to Linda's Pancakes and came here right after. It literally took us like 5 minutes to get here from Linda's Pancakes. So, a very pretty church. Looks like they have live music outside for the services. But yeah, definitely a perfect photo op is going to be tough. Came at a time when it's a little busier. just left, so we're lucky because now we're getting it with nobody in here. There was just about 50 people in here, so now it's calmed down. I'm going to also go and retake some pictures. So here's the outdoor area as well. You can see there's the big tour bus that just left. But that's the outdoor seating, and this is when they're having mass. Under the tent is where they have the service and the singers, the choir. There we go. So we're going to go take some pictures from far away since that group has left. So we just did the Aloe Factory and the little tour, and then went to the store. It was really cool. The tour is very quick. It's maybe 15 minutes at the most, but they show you how they process it. We hit it at lunch hour, so we weren't having good luck with catching them working. But we went back up after they returned from lunch and did it then. So I'm going to show you the factory really quick, and the store is really nice. You can ship everything to the US if you're only bringing carry-on. Hi, so we're on beautiful Eagle Beach. The water is pretty rough, just like it was yesterday, so we didn't really do much swimming. But you can see there's a bunch of palapas, and there's been mixed reviews on whether or not the palapas are public or rented. We found down here, we're a little further down, close, right in front of Paradise Beach Villas, and these palapas are public, but the chairs are rented. So if you bring your own beach chairs, you don't have to pay for a palapa, but keep in mind they're limited. I mean, there's probably about 20 of them around here on the beach, but the surf is very high. You can kind of, if you can see the waves behind me, they're crazy today. Usually you can't even see the waves. Further down, some of the palapas have signs on them, like in front of Amsterdam Manor and DV Phoenix. There's signage that actually says that they're for those guests, but I don't know, from what I understand on different forums, that might not be the case, that all of the beaches are public, all the palapas are public, and you only pay to rent a palapa or like reserve it ahead of time, or to get the chairs. So if you bring your own stuff, apparently they're free. So Eagle Beach is very beautiful, it's pretty, but it wasn't probably the best day for us to be here. We're gonna head over to Bugaloes and see if they are open today. They were closed yesterday due to the high tide and high waves. So we'll see if they're open. If not, we're gonna head to California Lighthouse for the sunset. So I'll check back with you.